Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6 Forests. Do you know, children, what is a forest? Forest means a large area of land thickly covered with trees, creepers, and bushes, and having a variety of wildlife is called forest. So, we see one para in this chapter. Forest is a place where trees grow naturally in a large numbers. It is a home to many insects, birds and other animals. Importance of forest. Forests have always been of great importance to humans since prehistoric times. Forests provide shelter to many types of animals, birds and insects. The early humans obtained food from forest by gathering fruits and hunting wild animals. They lived in the forest that fulfill all their basic needs. Forests are very important to us even today as they provide us with food, latex, gum, oils, resins, fruits, food, medicines, etc. Forests also reduce soil erosion, keep the air clean and give out fresh oxygen. Forests regulate the temperature and helps to bring rain. So, what is the meaning of forest and why forest is important for us? So, student, forest is a home of many insects, birds and other animals. And forest is very important because we get leaves, resin, fruits, gum, folder, medicine from forest. Wood from forest is used as a timber or firewood. Forests are a home to many animals, birds, insects, and forests check pollutions and prevent soil erosions. They attract rainfall and increase oxygen level in the air. So that's why forest is very important for us, for animals, for insects and for birds. Now let's see tribes of India. Forests are home to many people. People who live in the forest are called tribal people or Adivasis. Here are a few tribes of India. Santals of West Bengal, Bhils of Gujarat, Gonds of Madhya Pradesh and Goras of Nagaland. The tribal people of India depend a lot on the forest for their livelihood. They collect seeds, fruit, resins, lace, bamboo, etc. from the forest. They use the wood as a fuel. They make baskets from bamboo and cane. Tribal men and women make beautiful jewelry using grass fibers, sheets, and shells. They make brooms, pipe, containers, etc. from natural material like bamboo, grass, and leaf. First of all, we will know who is Adivasi. People who live in the middle of the forest, mountains, and have their own special skills to live with nature are called forest people or tribes or Adivasi. Here are a few tribes of India. Santals of West Bengal, Bhils of Gujarat, Gonds of Madhya Pradesh and Goras of Nagaland. Tribal people depend on the forest. They know how to preserve the forest. modern way of life is unknown to them. They are also called Adivasis. A tribal community has same language and customs. They live in the midst of animals, birds and insects. They do hunting and gather roots and leaves. They collect wood, fruits, honey, leaves from forest. Bamboo is the backbone of their houses and a number of cultural work and arts. Bamboo is used for making necklaces, furniture and rain-proof hats. Tribal people have a knowledge about various plants and their medicinal properties. Now we see sacred groves. Area in the forest which contain trees and medicinal plants that are on the verge of extinction are called sacred groves. They are sacred as they are said to be associated with some deities. Tribal people protect those groves and do not allow anyone to cut them. Student, in some forests or groves, people believe that all the plants and animals that are in the holy hills are companion of gods, are sacred living things in the God's garden. Such preserved and worshipped groves are called sacred groves. Effects of deforestation. The rapid cutting down of trees without planting any new ones is called deforestation. It has many adverse effects. First, it makes many animals homeless. It leads to natural calamities like landslides and floods. It results in the soil erosion. It affects the climate adversely. Students, what is deforestation? The cutting down of tree on a large scale is called deforestation. Forests are being cut down to make roads, towns and factories. The soil become loose due to deforestation. That's why rain and wind wash away the soil. This is called soil erosion. It results in reduced agriculture output, food storage, and birds become homeless. It results in soil erosion. It affects the climate adversely also. Let's see protection of forest. Trees and forests should be protected by all of us. In 1973, blazes in Alaknanda Valley in Uttarakhand protested against the cutting down of tree. The women of that area hugged the trees and did not allow anyone to cut them. This was popularly called the Chipko movement. One Mahotsav is organized every year for a week. During this period, lakhs of trees are planted. Every one of us can do our bits to save our forest. Here are some measures that we can take. Prevent trees from being cut down. Grow more trees. Reduce the use of paper. Adopt a tree and spread awareness about the importance of tree. Students, nowadays people are cutting tree for their personal use, like constructing their home, offices, factory, etc. But trees and forests should be protected by us. Chipko movement was done by the people of Alaknanda Blaze in 1973 to protect forest against cutting. Another popularly known as a Van Mahotsav is organized every year for planting of tree. To save our forest, we should take some measures. Prevent trees from being cut down, grow more trees, reduce the use of paper, adopt a tree and spread awareness about the importance of trees. Now children, we have finished this chapter. We will meet in our next class.